Hey, what's up, bros? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And this is my Honor Band 6, and this is my Huawei Band 6. And many of you asking me if the straps are the same. And the answer is yes, they are the same, bros. So you can use the straps from the Huawei Band 6 on your Honor Band 6. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the straps and how to use it on each band. So, without further ado, let's get started! So now it's time to remove the straps from the Honor Band 6. So, how to do it? And now the Huawei Band 6. So this is the Huawei Band 6, and this is the Honor Band 6. This is the strap from the Huawei, and now I'm gonna use it on this Honor Band 6. So this is Honor Band 6 with the straps from the Huawei Band 6. And this is the Band 6, and I'm gonna use the straps from the Honor Band 6 right now. And this is the Huawei Band 6 with the straps from the Honor Band 6. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed the video, bros. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. And as always, stay safe, wear the mask, peace out. And yes, the straps are the same.